Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to build this online store using WordPress with all these features of landing page for logos, these banners, shop now button, and this website is built with Astra theme and Elementor. So everything you see on this home page will be there. If you go to contact us page, there will be a contact field, contact form 7, which is led to the email address of the website admin. So when somebody sent the message, it will be in the email of admin. So on the home page, there will be a banner like this, and if we come to dashboard, you can see we have Elementor, we have the plugins installed like Astra sites. Okay, let's install a plugin, starter templates, which is probably from Astra, but let's see. So this one is starter templates by Brainstorm Force, and this is for Astra theme. Let's install it and activate. So this one is my freshly installed WordPress and not the one I showed you. Okay, now we will choose the builder. We will not choose AI, we will choose classic starter template for Elementor. So let's choose AI website builder and click on Elementor. You can also build with block editor, but I will choose Elementor for now. Now we will choose the template we want. So let's click on e-commerce because we are building an online store. So this is a good start for us to have a base. So let's see for a free template which is available here, which is called a DNK store. So let's search for the store or shop, and this is the one, the brand store. If you want to get it directly, you search for brand store with no spaces, and now you can customize the website by changing fonts, changing colors, or upload logo directly from here. So if you choose this, you can upload your logo from your PC and then this will be changed. So I'm not changing anything right now. You can also change the fonts, the smaller one, the bold one, the narrow one, and these are the defaults. Now you can change the color scheme as well. If you scroll down, you can see if we change the fonts, these are changing on the overall side, and if you change the color theme, you can see everything changes immediately. And let's choose default and click on continue. Now you have to choose some predefined plugins. We will skip that for now and click on skip. And now these plugins require to be installed. Some of them are already installed, and you should wait for this will take a couple of minutes, maybe 5 or 6 minutes to complete this step, and then our demo site will be ready. After demo site is imported, I will show you how you can change different parts of the website using Elementor editor, as we chose Elementor while installing importing these things. Okay, so now this is ready. It may take more time for you because I already had these plugins installed, but on your website on fresh installation this will take time. So now when we come to our home page or landing page, we can see everything right here. We have separate header, separate footer. On contact us page, we have already the contact form here with all fields. Now let's go back to a home page and let me show you how you can edit your website. So if you click on the top bar, edit with Elementor, then the Elementor editor will be opened for the current page, which is the home page right now. The Elementor editor might take some time to load, and now you can see everything is separate. If you click on this pencil icon for any of these elements, you can see that the text is changeable here. If you choose to change the title, let's remove the current one and replace it with raining of fur for hot summer. Let's choose the tag. You can choose h1 to h4, h5, h6, or even div or the paragraph. So let's keep it h1 because we need at least one h1 on every page. And this is the alignment. If you come to style tab of this, you can choose the alignment, whether it's in the middle or from the left align or right align. And the typography, the normal or hover, you can change the color of hover if you choose a different color, and when you hover the element it will change. Now let's choose the other element. And similarly for buttons, you can change the button text here. For example, the shop now button text, you can change shop us or shop now, and whenever we change some text it is reflected directly. Now this logo slider, if you click on edit, we can choose as many logos as you want. Currently 5 images are selected, and this is image carousel. So if you scroll down, then we have these banners. On each individual banner, if these are the columns, but if you click on the text or the shop now button, everything is pretty much editable. So this featured products title, you can link it to anywhere. You can change the tag from h1 to h5, or this is the snippet widget for shop. If you click it, you can see the shortcode, the featured products shortcode with limit of 10 and the columns are 5. You can change the number of columns as well. Similarly for this tag, for this element, or for the column, if you click on the column, you can choose whether it is boxed or whether it is full width. You can choose the layout of the container, flex box or grid. You can choose minimum height. You can choose, you can add another element, first row. Let's choose flex box and direction is down. Click on element, search for any element you want to add to this row. Let's add image, grab the carousel, okay. Now click on plus and choose multiple images to add to this carousel. And once you select the images, you can sort them, or you can choose the speed of the slider or anything. Let's create the gallery. Now you can sort them here, and when you click on insert, they will be displayed on this slider. Okay, now you can choose whether you are using the thumbnails of the pictures or the full image. And this is the carousel. So currently we have 2 pictures in one slide and total 10 slides. The size, let's choose the size medium large. Let it load. For preview, let's close the sidebar to see how this slider will look like. So there are 3 slides on the full screen, and on tablet it is showing 2 sides, two slides. Okay, let's remove this for now. And for this feature, you can edit the short code if you want, and similarly above the top you can choose anything you want. Okay, so the add to cart is a fly cart menu. When you click it, the shopping cart will be appeared from the right side. You can choose the location from theme setting for this fly cart as well. So click on publish and let's preview the page and see whether our changes are there or not, and scroll down. So everything is there. Now go to contact us page, and similar as home page, you can just click on edit with Elementor and the page will be editable. So everything including these cards, the form, the text. The form is actually the contact form 7 or WP forms, but all other text fields you can change. The background, you can change the images, you can change almost everything. So that was all for today's video. I hope you learned something and learned how to build online shop, and I hope you liked this video. So please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and you will not miss my future videos. Similarly, you can add these single product items, and you can edit with Elementor if you do not want to use the default template of the single product page. And that was all for today's video. Thank you.